This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must stop using the camera, phone, or drive immediately. Every write reduces recoverable data. Connect the device read-only or pull the card and attach via a card reader. Next, create a full bit-for-bit image to a separate drive so you preserve the original. Once done, launch a trusted recovery application and run a quick scan to gauge results. Make sure to switch to a deep or signature scan if the quick pass finds few files. This preserves data and speeds later steps. Now you dig into the scans. Run the tool's deep or signature-based scan to locate fragmented or formatted photos. You'll want to filter results by common photo extensions and date ranges to reduce noise, and preview thumbnails so you don't waste space on corrupt files. Once you identify targets, recover only those files and write them to a separate drive, never the original. Make sure to verify recovered file integrity as you go, because false positives and partial files are common in complex situations. Finish by organizing and validating your recovered photos. Check previews, timestamps, and file sizes, then copy everything into a new folder structure and create at least 2 backups. If some images are partially corrupted, run a photo repair utility or convert RAW files to a workable format. Small repairs often restore usability. Finally, make a recovery checklist and enable regular backups. Troubleshooting tip: if files are missing after scans,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.